Marvel refrigerator model MP36RA2LP error codes. Marvel 36-inch counter-depth all-refrigerator column with 18.4 cubic feet capacity, glass shelves, left hinge, automatic defrost, dynamic cooling technology, LED lighting, Star K certified in P error codes. Code E1. Problem: temperature sensor fault. If the controller detects that the temperature sensor is not properly functioning, a temperature sensor alarm will sound. E1 will flash on the display, and an alarm will sound. Code CL. Problem: condenser needs cleaning. When the refrigerator has reached the recommended amount of runtime for a condenser cleaning, CL will flash on the display as a reminder to clean the condenser.